Croeso I session Nadolig Cwtsh. Welcome to the Cwtsh Christmas session. Today we'll be learning all about a Nadolig Christmas. So we'll be learning some geiriau newydd, some new words, and learning some caneuon, some songs. Caneuon y Nadolig Christmas songs. Felly, banter ni, off we go. Amser canu I ddechrau. Time to sing to start off. We'll be learning the Welsh version of Jingle Bells. It goes like this. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, clychau Santa Claus. So ting-a-ling-a-ling, you can almost hear that bell ringing, can't you? Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, clychau, bells, clychau Santa Claus. Santa Claus's bells. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and canu, singing or ringing in this case, and canu yn y nos, in the night, yn y nos. Remember, nos da, good night, nos, and canu yn y nos, this singing or ringing in the night. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, clychau Santa Claus, Santa Claus's bells, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and canu yn y nos, singing or ringing in the night. So it's to the tune of Jingle Bells. Shall we give it a go? Okay, ar ôl tri, after three, un, dau, tri. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, clychau Santa Claus. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and canu yn y nos. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, clychau Santa Claus. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and canu yn y nos. Da iawn, canu da, good singing. So one of the first things you want to do in the run-up of Christmas is get your children to write a letter to Santa Claus, to Sean Corn. So llythyr, a letter, llythyr at Sean Corn, a letter to Father Christmas. So if you are going to write a letter at home, you want to start and finish your letter with the correct Welsh greetings. So Anwyl, dia, Anwyl Sean Corn, dear Santa, Anwyl, Anwyl Sean Corn. Then we can ask for the things we'd like to see under that Christmas tree or in our stocking. And then we finish, we say, oddi wrth, from, oddi wrth. So, Anwyl Sean Corn, and then oddi wrth. But what are we going to put in the middle? How do we say that we'd like something from Santa? And what sort of things might your children like? Let's have a look. So, beth wyt ti eisiau gan Sean Corn? What do you want from Sean Corn? Those of you who've done some Clwtsh sessions, you'll know this word eisiau, to want, eisiau. So beth, what? Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Sean Corn? What do you want? Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Sean Corn? And to say that I want something, we say dwi eisiau. Dwi eisiau teddy gan Sean Corn. Dwi eisiau teddy gan Sean Corn. Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Sean Corn? What do you want from Sean Corn? Dwi eisiau teddy gan Sean Corn. So some of you who've done the Clwtsh sessions, you'll know some of these words already. Let's have a look at them. So pêl-droed, a football, pêl-droed. So we could say, dwi eisiau pêl-droed gan Sean Corn. Dwi eisiau pêl-droed gan Sean Corn. Llyfr, a book. Dwi eisiau llyfr gan Sean Corn. Here we've got some games. Gemau, just the one game. Game, game or gemau. Dwi eisiau game gan Sean Corn. How about a dinosaur? Dinosaur. Dwi eisiau dinosaur gan Sean Corn. Or maybe you'd like some blocks. Dwi eisiau blociau gan Sean Corn. Dwi eisiau blociau gan Sean Corn. Dwi eisiau pêl rygbi gan Sean Corn. Pêl rygbi. neu efallai, or perhaps train. Train, a train. Dwi eisiau tren gan Siôn Corn. Dwi eisiau tren gan Siôn Corn. Pêl-droed, llyfr, gêm o gemau, deinosor, blociau, pêl-rygbi, train. So I want you to have a little practice at these now. And I'm going to ask you, beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? What do you want from Father Christmas? So amser ymarfer, practice time. You're going to answer, dwi eisiau teddy gan Siôn Corn. I'm going to go around the pictures and you're going to tell me the correct word, okay? Felly, gawn ni drio, let's try. Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? I'll start off with this one. Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? Dwi eisiau pêl-droed gan Siôn Corn. Da iawn. Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? Dwi eisiau llyfr gan Siôn Corn. Gwych, great. Beth am hwn? How about this one? Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? Dyna ni. Dwi eisiau gemau gan Siôn Corn. Dwi eisiau gemau gan Siôn Corn. Nesaf, Teddy. Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? Dwi eisiau Teddy gan Siôn Corn. Dwi eisiau Teddy gan Siôn Corn. Nesaf, next, blociau. Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? Dwi eisiau blociau gan Siôn Corn. Beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? Dyna ni, there we are. Dwi eisiau pêl-rygbi gan Siôn Corn. Nesaf, beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? Dwi eisiau tren gan Siôn Corn. Ac yn olaf, finally, beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? Dwi eisiau deinosor gan Siôn Corn. Deinosor. Da iawn. So, beth wyt ti eisiau gan Siôn Corn? What do you want from Santa? Dwi eisiau teddy gan Siôn Corn. Pêl-droed, llyfr, gêm o gemau, teddy, blociau, pêl-rygbi, tren, deinosor. So once we've given out our presents, we might want to ask, do you like the present? Hoffi, to like. Wyt ti'n hoffi'r anrheg? Anrheg, present. Wyt ti'n hoffi'r anrheg? Do you like the present? Wyt ti'n hoffi'r anrheg? Ydw, diolch yn fawr. So yes, ydw, ydw, diolch yn fawr. Diolch am yr anrheg. Thanks for the present. Diolch am yr anrheg. Dyna hyfryd. Oh, that's lovely. Dyna hyfryd. And then if we want to say we like something, dwi'n hoffi'r llyfr. I like the book. Dwi'n hoffi'r llyfr. Diolch, dwi'n hoffi'r gemau. Thanks, I like the games. Diolch, dwi'n hoffi'r deinosor. I like the dinosaur. So let's try those, shall we? Let's start off with a question. Wyt ti'n hoffi'r anrheg? That's right, dyna ni. Wyt ti'n hoffi'r anrheg? Ydw, diolch yn fawr. Your turn. Okay, next one. Diolch am yr anrheg. Diolch am yr anrheg. Dyna hyfryd. That's lovely. Dyna hyfryd. Diolch, dwi'n hoffi'r llyfr. I like the book. Diolch, thank you. Dwi'n hoffi'r gemau. I like the games. Diolch, dwi'n hoffi'r deinosor. Thank you. I like the dinosaur. Diolch, dwi'n hoffi'r deinosor. So just to give you some idea of asking, do you like the present? And then a few options for the answer. Don't forget to say diolch, thank you. Amser canu eto. So time to sing again. This is a lovely Welsh song. You'll always hear it in school Christmas concerts or nursery concerts at Christmas time. It's all about Santa. Pwy sy'n dŵad dros y bryn? So who's coming over the hill? And ddistaw bach, very, very quietly. A'i farf yn llais, ei wallt yn wyn. His beard's long, his hair is white. A rhywbeth yn ei sach. He's got something in his sack, ei sach. A phwy sy'n eistedd ar y to? Who's sitting on the roof? Ar ben y shimne fawr. On top of the big chimney. Sean Corn. Father Christmas, Sean Corn. Hello. Hello, tird yma. Come here. Tirdi lawr. Come down. And it goes like this. Pwy sy'n dŵad dros y bryn yn ddistaw bach. A'i farf yn llais a'i wallt yn wyn, a rhywbeth yn ei sach. A phwy sy'n eistedd ar y to, ar ben y shimne fawr. Sean Corn, Sean Corn, hello, hello. Tird yma, tirdi lawr. And I've given you some links at the end of the presentation, just so that you can go back and have a look at some of the songs. There are some lovely recordings, some lovely little cartoons that you can remember the tunes and practice some of the words. So they'll come at the end. That's a really lovely one to learn and to sing with your little ones. Pwy sy'n dŵad dros y bryn? What about some more words, geiriau newydd, some new words, all to do with Christmas, okay? So I'm going to give you a little test first, because perhaps you know some of them already. So, beth yw hwn? What's this? Beth yw hwn? Unrhyw un yn gwybod? Anyone know? Beth yw hwn? Coeden Nadolig. Coeden a tree. Coeden Nadolig, Christmas tree. Coeden Nadolig. Beth am hwn? How about this one? It's quite a popular girl's name as well. Dyna ni. Seren. Seren. What about this one? Beth am hwn? Snowman. Do you know the word eira, which means snow? And dyn eira, a snowman. Dyn eira. Dyn eira. So we had this one just now, didn't we? We had wyt ti'n hoffi'r anrheg. Do you like the present? This time we've got anrhegion. So anrheg, a present. Anrhegion, presents. A deryn bach, a little bird. Robin. Robin goch. Goch, because his chest is red. Robin goch. Robin goch. Now, pwy sy'n cofio? Who remembers the word we had in the ting-a-ling-a-ling, the Jingle Bell song? Do you remember? We had clychau. Clychau Santa Claus. Clychau bells. Clychau. Now, dyma un hawdd. Here's an easy one. Mince pie. Mince pie. Hawdd. Easy. So let's go through those again. I'm going to say all the words and just repeat them after me. Coeden Nadolig. Seren. Dyn eira. Anrheg. Anrhegion. Robin goch. Clychau. Mince pie. Da iawn. A few more words for you. Rhai Nadolig guides, some Christmas ones. Pwy sy'n gwybod y Gymraeg ar gyfer Christmas Eve? Who knows the Welsh word for Christmas Eve? Rhywun, anyone? Noswyl Nadolig, noswyl, the eve, noswyl Nadolig. Noswyl Nadolig, Christmas Eve. Dydd Nadolig, Christmas Day, dydd Nadolig. A pwy yw hwn? Pwy yw hwn? Who's this? Sean Corn, dyna ni, Sean Corn. Sean Corn has lots of ffrindiau, doesn't he? He has little friends, and these friends are Ceirw. Ceirw Sean Corn, Santa's reindeers. And then just the one, Carw. Carw, a deer or reindeer. Ceirw, reindeers or deer. Ceirw Sean Corn. So with this one, we just need to think of the pronunciation. We look at it, we can see a word that's familiar to us, but the pronunciation in Gymraeg, in Welsh, is a little bit different. So we say angel, 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 angel. A dyma ni, hosan Nadolig, Christmas stocking, hosan, hosan, a sock, same word for sock. So hosan Nadolig, Christmas stocking. Lots of people will be eating this ar y dydd Nadolig on Christmas Day. Turkey, turkey, dyna ni, turkey. A hwn hefyd, on this one too, pudding dolig, Christmas pudding, pudding dolig. So bell or blind, just as before, let's go back and I'll say them and then you can repeat them after me. So noswyl Nadolig, Christmas Eve, noswyl Nadolig. Dydd Nadolig, dydd Nadolig. Sean Corn, Sean Corn. Just remember that to get that sh sound in Welsh, we use the S and the I together. Sean Corn. Ceirw, Ceirw, Ceirw Sean Corn. Angel, angel. Hosan Nadolig, hosan. Turkey, turkey. Pudding dolig, pudding dolig. Dyna ni geiriau newydd y Nadolig, some new Christmas words. A gan olaf, the last song for this Christmas Clwb Cwtsh. Amser canu eto, time to sing again. Again, you're going to know the tune to this one. So we wish you a Merry Christmas. Dymunwn Nadolig llawen. Dymunwn Nadolig llawen. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Nadolig llawen. Merry Christmas. Nadolig llawen. Dymunwn Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Blwyddyn, a year. Blwyddyn newydd, New Year. Blwyddyn newydd dda, Happy New Year. Blwyddyn newydd dda, a good New Year. Blwyddyn newydd dda. Llawen iddi chi will bring happiness to you. A phawb yn y tŷ, and to everyone in the house. Dymunwn Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Okay, so Nadolig llawen, try that. Nadolig llawen. A blwyddyn newydd dda. Dyna ni, a blwyddyn newydd dda. Gawn ni ganu eto. Shall we have another sing? Okay, ar ôl 3. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Dymunwn Nadolig llawen, dymunwn Nadolig llawen, dymunwn Nadolig llawen, a blwyddyn newydd dda, llawen iddi chi, a phawb yn y tŷ. Dymunwn Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Dymunwn Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Nadolig llawen. Amser chwarae ac adolygu. So playtime, but revision time too. Adolygu, some revision. So we're going to play a game, okay? Gwasgu fan hyn, and press there. A dyma fe yn dod, here it comes. Aros ychydig, dyma ni. Beth sydd yn y llun? What's in the picture? Pa un? Which one? Pa un? Dyna ni. Carw. Beth sydd nesa? What's next? Pa un? Which one? Dyna ni. Sam. Beth yw hwn? Neu pwy yw e? Who's he? Pwy yw e? Siôn Corn. Gwych, da iawn. Siôn Corn. Do you remember the word for snow? Eira, that's it. Dyna ni, eira. So, dyn eira. Snowman, dyn eira. Un hawdd, maybe? Yeah, an easy one. Sled. It's a bit like the English sledge. Sled. Do you have that little phrase? Wyt ti'n hoffi'r anrheg? Wyt ti'n hoffi'r anrheg? Do you like the present? Mae'r ben y goeden on top of the tree. Seren. Seren. Ac yn olaf, finally, coeden Nadolig. Christmas tree, coeden Nadolig. Da iawn. Da iawn. Gwych. Felly, so, if you'd like to go back and look at some of the songs again, some lovely little cartoons and songs that you can watch and listen to on Amser Canu, the website Amser Canu. So you have Clwtsh Santa Claus, Pwy sy'n dŵad dros y bryn, a Dymunwn Nadolig llawen. So you can go back over them and sing along with your children while having a look at the little cartoons. They're lovely and colourful and really get you into the Christmas spirit. So do go back and have a little look at those. Ac yn olaf, finally, gai ddymuno Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Happy Christmas and a very happy new year gan bawb yn tîm Clwb Cwtsh. So from all of us here yn Clwb Cwtsh, Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Nadolig llawen!